If I had 100 wishes and only one of them could come true, I would wish that over this distance I could be right there now with you. Could we be in France again, dance beneath the olive trees, lingering bodies on a deserted beach, moon above to touch the breeze. In my eye I see you still, darkened hair and tender smile, leaning out of the windowsill, clutching roses all the while. Could we be in Spain again, dance beneath the olive trees, mingling bodies on a deserted beach, moon above to catch the breeze? Do you remember the summer when we took to the coast of Clare, heard the ocean on the rocks, listened to the music there? Could we be in Ireland again, dance beneath the oak trees, mingling bodies on a deserted beach, moon above to catch the breeze? If I had 100 wishes and only one of them could come true, I would wish that over this distance I could be right there now with you. The journey's over, another's just begun. Beneath the moonlight, or by the rising sun, I seek to hold you in sunshine or in rain. Beneath the heavens, I'm coming home again. So far we drifted like ships upon the sea, horizons fading, we lost our destiny. The storm clouds hover, our vanity like pain, which held back the winds that bring us home again. Could I see now the swallows in their flight, or watch the moon dance on oceans in the night? The trees reach upward to help the birds to fly, and all the creatures who'll hear them when they cry. Walk the hillside like lost souls in the night, and in the darkness we're searching for the light, and in the morning like freshly fallen dew, much like a moon's breath, I'm coming home to you. This journey's over, another's just begun. Beneath the moonlight, up by the warming sun. For I remember that if my heart be true, just like an eagle, I'm coming home to you.